Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just open your contacts and then find the contact you'd like to customize and tap on it. Let me pick Laura. Right here, whenever you've got the contact open, simply tap on this edit icon, the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo so I can show you what you will see after entering the contact without the photo added. All we have to do right now is to tap on the circle, which means that we will be able to add a photo. Here we can either take a photo, and after clicking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can simply pick a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. We have to simply find the photo we would like to use and tap, of course. And here in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, we can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So after positioning it just like you want to, tap on done in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo will be applied to this circle. So we have to finish everything with tapping on save, which is in the right upper corner again. And of course give this device a time so it will be able to refresh itself. This is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. Of course you can see the photo on the contact list, of course after refreshing everything, and you will be able to see the photo, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.